Welcome fellas into this new video of Tech Express. Today let's check out and let's talk a little bit more about Steam and the actual cash out. If you have a massive cash balance sitting into your Steam wallet and you're looking for a simple withdrawal to your bank account button, let me stop you right there because it doesn't exist. Now, the Valve's officially policy is clear. Once money enters the Steam wallet, it's considered stored credit, right? So Valve legally cannot cash you out because they are not an actual bank. And financial regulations treat the platform as a closed ecosystem. Now, let's don't panic here because still you aren't completely stuck. So let's see what we can actually do. The first thing is the real life friend method. So the method number one, which is the absolute safest way to do this without losing a single penny to the third-party fees, is called the friend method. So basically what you want to do is to talk to a real friend or gaming buddies, you might be saying so, the next time one of them is about to buy a brand new, for example, $60 or $70 game. Basically you wanted to tell them to stop. You offer to buy the product and give that exact game to the Steam account using your wallet balance. So let's say, for example, that I would like to make an actual purchase of, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna go head back, but I'm gonna download Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. So if I select this element, I choose to add this to the cart, and then what I can do is to send this as an actual gift to somebody else. So I don't own this and I make the actual purchase for somebody else. That means that in exchange, your friend sends the exact cash equivalent directly to the PayPal, Venmo, or hands your physical cash, and there are zero marketplace platform fees because you already have the actual money with you. And even, for example, if this one costs, for example, $70, you charge this guy, for example, $60, and of course you're going to be saying yes because at the end of the day, you of course to make the actual purchase for it, and it costs a little bit less, right? So this is a really easily method if you want to try out. The second method is, for example, the CS2 skin liquidation. If you don't have friends, for example, looking to buy games, you will have to use the second method, which is the skin liquidation strategy. This is how the veteran PC gamers move massive amounts of money off the platform using liquid gaming assets. So basically, you tame your Steam wallet balance and buy highly demanded, stable items into the Steam community market. So basically here, into my Steam community market, I stick to the liquid assets like the TF2 keys, CS2 cases, or highly traded weapons skin that holds predictable values. So basically what you want to do is to keep in mind that Valve enforces a strict 7-day trade locked on any item purchased for the community market. So your new items will be set securely in your inventory for 1 week before they can be moved, right? So take that in mind. So once that week is up, you can head over to the heavily vetted trusted third-party marketplaces. You logged in with your Steam account, you list your skins for sale, and once the buyer claims that, you can securely withdraw your earnings straight to the bank account, debit card, or even an actual crypto wallet, which I think is going to be really great, right? So you will take a finance hit using this method. Third-party sites generally price items between 20-30% lower than the artificial Steam marketplace, plus your face small transaction platform fees. But if you still want fast cash into your bank account, this is the price of admission. The third method that I can give you is the Steam hardware. So method 3 is an alternative workout if you're having a massive balance. You know that you can use the raw Steam wallet funds to buy real physical hardware directly from Valve. If your balance is high enough, you can add a Steam Deck, a VR headset to your card. You can check out completely using the store credit, and even let Valve mail it right directly into your front door. This is, for example, if you wanted to use that as a featured element directly into actual Steam. So once the packages, for example, arrive, you can leave it completely sealed to the factory box, list them as brand new on local platforms like Facebook Marketplace, online eBay, and well, you can actually make the actual sale and you're actually good to go. So important how to not get scammed, because you need to make sure to not get scammed. If anyone on Discord, Twitter, or an unverified website tells you that they can convert the Steam balance to a PayPal if you just buy them as a gift code, make sure that you don't click that because they're probably robbing you. So stick to the exclusive trusted community better peer platforms. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. If there's another tutorial or another method that you found that there's not into this specific tutorial, you can let us know once again back into the comments so we can all discuss about it. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.